Today we're going to be doing a teardown on the Razer Viper V2 Pro mouse. I'm going to show you exactly how to get inside of here without damaging anything in case you need to repair something or if you're trying to upgrade the mouse by replacing some parts. So step one in the teardown is we need to remove all of these skates. You're going to need a thin prying tool, and I have this metal thing that kind of looks like a guitar pick. Alright, we got the first skate off, and basically once you remove it, you're going to see on the bottom of the mouse there's going to be two little screws there that we can now unscrew. But before doing that, there's going to be two more screws under here, and then we need to remove the skates as well. And there we go, we have the two little skates removed, and this is what it's going to look like once you have the skates removed. You're going to get exposure to all four of these Phillips head screws that we now need to unscrew. We're going to be using this electric screwdriver set to get those out. And now let's get the remaining three. Once you have all the screws removed, now you need some sort of prying tool, and the way you come at it is from an angle. I recommend from the back here, and then it should be able to pop right open. Once you get to the back of the mouse, you can just kind of work your way around the sides, and then it should be able to come off fairly easily. And once the pry is open, it just comes right off like so. Now quickly looking at the top housing of the mouse, this is kind of what's inside where the clickers kind of register. You can disassemble these clickers by simply unscrewing these two screws here. And then if we look at the base part of the mouse, you can see all of the parts right here. Here is the logic board. You also have the scroll wheel, the two clickers on the side. And then you also have another chipset here where everything, all the computing power is done. If you want to remove this logic board from the base of the mouse, all you do is you unscrew this screw here along with the screw up there. And then this thing will be completely disassembled. And this has been a teardown of the Razer Viper V2 Pro mouse. If you're interested in this electric screwdriver that we used to disassemble this thing, links will be down in the description below. With that being said, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.